I spilled my coffee. I spilled my coffee. I caught a cold. I caught a cold. I cut my finger. I cut my finger. I locked myself out. I locked myself out. I overslept this morning. I overslept this morning. I am hammering the nail into the wall. I am drilling a hole in the wall. I am drilling a hole in the wall. I am painting the fence outside. I am painting the fence outside. I am installing a new light fixture. I am installing a new light fixture. I forgot my password. I forgot my password. I received good news. I received good news. I moved to a new house. I moved to a new house. I am cutting the wood with a saw. I am cutting the wood with a saw. I am measuring the window carefully. I am measuring the window carefully. I am building a wooden shelf. I am building a wooden shelf. I changed my plan. I changed my plan. I traveled last week. I traveled last week. I am carrying the tools to the truck. I am fixing the broken door. I am fixing the broken door. I have hot soup for lunch. I enjoy cold water after exercise. I feel happy when I see my family. I feel sad when I miss my friends. I keep my desk clean every day. I leave my shoes dirty after the rain. I feel full after dinner. I get hungry before lunch. I walk up the stairs slowly. I run down the hill in the park. I wake up early for work every day. I go to bed late on weekends.